Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by force restarting the phone. Hold the power and volume keys until it reboots, because many touch glitches are temporary. Once done, remove any case and every screen protector. Pressure or trapped debris can trigger false touches. Next, unplug chargers and USB adapters and then try tapping the screen. If jumping stops, the accessory was inducing noise. Make sure to work on a flat surface and keep your fingers dry, since moisture and uneven pressure change capacitance and cause the issue. Once basic checks are done, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app causes the jumps. If the problem disappears, uninstall recent apps. Next, visually inspect screen edges and seams for lifted glass, corrosion, or debris. These physically affect the digitizer. Also check software. Update the OS and all apps because manufacturers push touch driver fixes. If available, run the built-in diagnostic touchscreen test to map dead or ultra-sensitive zones. That tells you whether software or hardware is at fault. You're at the final stage. Back up your data, then perform a factory reset if diagnostics still point to software. This rules out deep configuration conflicts. If the jump persists after reset, connect an OTG mouse or a Bluetooth pointer. If those work, it confirms a digitizer or driver problem. Make sure to try gently cleaning connectors if you feel confident opening the device. If hardware is suspected, stop DIY repairs. Contact a certified repair shop or the OEM, because replacing the display or digitizer is often required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.